Welcome everyone to part 1 of Adobe Photoshop class. What is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a software application used for editing and manipulating digital images. It allows users to enhance photos, create artwork, and design graphics using a wide range of tools and features. Okay, it's just like raster graphic editor, go-to tool for photographer, digital artist, designer. For the key feature, image editing tool. There's a lot of tools for editing the photo. And mask for organize the image layer. And the layer that we can control the adjustment of the photo. Filter and effect. That is really common for photo editing. And brush that you can draw on the image. Text tool. And the most common tool that is retouching tool. And who uses it? For the graphic designer, they creating the logo, the illustration, the graphic element. And for the photography, the common use retouching photos, creating composition, that kind of magic images. For the web designer, they create the website layout that we can see on the website or the homepage of the website, and the website icon that we can click to be more attractive. The website layout that we can see on the homepage or another page of the website. For the digital art, just like digital painting, the concept art. For the benefit of Adobe Photoshop, it kind of professional editing, versatility, integration, and customization that the user can create the custom brushes, filter, and tool to suit their needs. And I will show you how to download the Adobe Photoshop program. Okay, for the first, we have to go to any browser that you use every day, and okay, I will type get into pc.com. And looking for the search bar, and we type Adobe Photoshop and click the word go. Okay, this I will choose Adobe Photoshop 2023 for free download, and we have to scroll down and click on the download button. Okay, remember for 64-bit, and don't forget to remember, and you have to remember the password of the zip file 123. This is the process of downloading the program, and we have to wait a little bit, and the download process is automatically start. Okay, and this is how it works. Okay, let it download a little bit. When the download is finished, okay, just go to the file and type the password 123 for the zip file that we download, and go to the node file first. That it will tell you how to install the program. Okay, I just install Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and second is enjoy. I close it and go to and you have to click on autoplay.exe and wait for the process to finish. Okay, let it install by itself. Okay, wait a little bit. Okay, right now, after the installation is finished, when you see here, we had to looking for the button. We had to looking for continue button, and click on and wait a minute for the installation. Okay, so right now the install is complete. Adobe Photoshop program is running right now on our laptop, and it is how Adobe Photoshop program is. And right now you can use it as normal without go to 3 or 4 step of cracking. And right now I will show you some of tool that is common in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so for the first is pen tool. This photo you can go to open and take from your local storage, and this photo I already import from my local storage in my laptop. We can go to a pen icon and click on the ad of the object that you want to select it. Okay, and let me show you like this. Okay, and after you done of using this pen tool, you can right click and looking for mask selection. Okay, this mask selection and click OK. Okay, so the area that you already the area that you painted is changed to select. Look at to the layer panel. This is the layer mask, and you can right click and add mask to selection. And I will choose this icon tool to make the add of the object more specific. You just click on the add of the object. After you finish, just click OK. Okay. Okay, another one is object tool. Okay, the object tool is this object tool. I will choose the quick selection tool, and you can resize the pointer here. Okay, so right now just select on the object that you want by uh, using cursor to draw on it, to draw on the object. And this the inside of the object is already selected, so to remove it we have to click Alt key, and when the cursor show the minus sign, and you can it mean you can remove the selection area to remove the selection in the object. Okay, now you can click Control letter J to create a new layer from the selection, and go to Edit, Paper Wrap. You can point at everywhere you want. And so right now I will point on, and then you can hold the pointer to drag to drop up or down or however you want. Okay, and it's going to be like this. Okay, and the dot and burn. The dot and burn is the tool that can make the photo to be bright or dark. Okay, this dot tool. Okay, I'll show you the dot tool first. Okay, so first you have to create a new layer and go to edit and fill, and you have to fill with the content 50% gray and click OK, and go to this and click overlay. Okay, and now you can resize the pointer here. Okay, so for example I will dot on the eye of the dog to make the eye brighter. I can hide the layer here to see the difference. Okay, so it is how it works. I will decide more to make some area of the dog is brighter. Okay, I can click and draw on anywhere I want. Or just like this and this. Okay, and this is how the different. Okay, and one more, I will go to the burn tool to make the object darker and draw on the area that is kind of. Let's see how the different. Okay, another one is curve. Okay, the curve effect, we have to go here and choose curve, and this, okay, you can drag down, you can hold it, and you can drag down to make the photo a little bit dark, and go to pen tool and resize here, okay, a little bit big, and you can draw with the pen tool like the area that you want. Gonna be more bright to make the photo more interesting on the brighter area. And do not forget, if you want to make the photo more bright, you have to make sure that the color of the pen tool is black. Just like you're using the black to make the photo brighter, and white to make the photo darker. And the color balance. Okay, I will show you the color balance. First you have to go to effect and color balance. You can control of the color on the photo by here. Yeah. Just like this. I will show you kind of basics. I will show you how it works first, and to be more detailed, you have to wait for the other video because it is a little bit complicated. Color. We can control the balance of the color on the photo by this tool. Okay, let's remember some of shortcut here. Okay, so our video is going to end right now. Thank you for the part 1 and see you on part 2.